Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. How many companies can I have in HoneyBook? I know that this can be a confusing question, so I'm going to break it down for you and explain everything you need to know. Before I get into the nitty-gritty, I want to share a quick story with you. A few years ago, I was working with a client who had a lot of different businesses. She was using HoneyBook to manage all of her clients and projects, but she was getting frustrated because she couldn't create separate companies for each of her businesses. I ended up figuring out a workaround for her, and it worked out great. But I realized that this was a common problem that other HoneyBook users might be facing. So, I decided to create this video to help you understand how to use HoneyBook to manage multiple companies. Before I get into the details, let's take a step back and talk about what HoneyBook is. HoneyBook is a project management and client management software that is designed for creative and professional service businesses. It helps you keep track of your clients, projects, tasks, and invoices. HoneyBook is a great tool for businesses of all sizes. It can help you save time, get organized, and grow your business. Now, let's get back to the question. How many companies can I have in HoneyBook? The answer is, it depends. There are two different types of HoneyBook accounts. Solo. This plan is for individual freelancers and solopreneurs. It allows you to have one company. Team. This plan is for teams and agencies. It allows you to have up to 3 companies. If you have more than 3 companies, you'll need to upgrade to the enterprise plan. Here's a breakdown of the different plans. Solo. 1 company. Up to 25 clients. Up to 5 projects. $29 per month. Team. Up to 3 companies. Unlimited clients. Unlimited projects. $99 per month. Enterprise. Unlimited companies. Unlimited clients. Unlimited projects. Pricing is based on your needs. If you're not sure which plan is right for you, you can contact HoneyBook support for help. How to create multiple companies in HoneyBook. If you have a team or enterprise plan, you can create multiple companies in HoneyBook. Here's how. Go to the Settings tab. Click on Companies. Click on the Add Company button. Enter the name of your company and click on Create. Once you've created your company, you can add clients, projects, and tasks to it. Tips for managing multiple companies in HoneyBook. Use different colors for each company. This will help you keep track of your companies and avoid confusion. Create custom templates for each company. This will save you time when creating new projects and tasks. Set up different email addresses for each company. This will help you keep your email organized. I hope this video has helped you understand how to use HoneyBook to manage multiple companies. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're not already using HoneyBook, I highly recommend checking it out. It's a great tool that can help you save time, get organized, and grow your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative.